It's pretty long, though.
Yeah.
Instagramming?
I don't have Instagram. I don't think you can even Instagram videos, can you?
Oh, you're taking a video?
Yeah.
Yeah, he did tell us this, didn't he?
Yeah.
This wasn't like... It's like, yeah, okay, Lloyd, so... Someone else watching? One other person is watching.
That's long.
Should have ran down there and started going.
If you're a professional sprinter, yeah.
Oh, I can run pretty fast on this one.
Yeah, but you eat shit at the bottom.
I know.
I would.
I have all the fastest routes to everywhere on campus.
Yeah. What are those?
Okay, that's kind of anticlimactic, I think.
It's better than sitting in your room watching water boil.
Hello. Yeah. Were you at Harper for New Year's? You at Harper for New Year's? Oh, yeah. Same guy that does them up there, too. It's pretty good.
God. So much for a short show.
How big? Like, how many of those carts do you think? It's Chinese New Year, I guess. I like the sound away.
Yeah.
Apparently, I blew a bunch of windows out.
500 injuries, but old people breaking hips. Penguins falling on their back watching it go over.
So long. It's been like 10 minutes on this.
Well, I started the video like 2 minutes in, and it's at 6 minutes, so.
I don't know about making it small for my law.
Yeah, that's what he said. It's like, yeah, I'm having a little fireworks show down TRU.
I guess there's no like really big ones, you know. But it's long as hell.
Not industrial sized, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what the rules are when you're in town. I think that's it. I kind of think they should just do them all at once.
It's like all day.